don't think people understand the different types of adrenaline rush and the unique situations that trigger them. Imagine this. You're walking through the jungle. Suddenly, a tiger appears. Your heart races. Your breath quickens. The world around you seems to slow down, every sound amplified, every movement sharp and clear. You're ready to run or fight, your muscles tense, your senses heighten. This is your body's primal response to danger. That's adrenaline, the body's emergency response system. It's an ancient mechanism honed over millions of years of evolution. It's a hormone, a chemical messenger that signals your body to prepare for action. It floods your bloodstream, reaching every organ, every cell, and it keeps us alive. And in moments of extreme stress, it gives us the strength and speed we need to survive. Adrenaline is always there, coursing through our veins, ready to be unleashed. But in times of stress or danger, it surges. This surge is a powerful force, transforming fear into action. This surge, the sudden burst of energy, is what we call an adrenaline rush. It's the body's way of giving us an edge when we need it most. It's the difference between freezing in fear and taking action. It's the spark that ignites our survival instinct, pushing us to overcome obstacles and face our fears head on. Adrenaline rushes come in different forms. Each serves a unique purpose. The most well-known is the fight or flight response. In critical moments, our body reacts almost instantly. When danger strikes, our brain sends a signal. This signal is a call to action, a call to survive. This signal triggers the release of adrenaline. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is a hormone that prepares our body for rapid response. It's instant, a primal instinct. Our body becomes a well-oiled machine, ready to tackle any threat. Think of our ancient ancestors. They relied on this system to survive. They faced predators, harsh environments. Every day was a battle for survival. Adrenaline was their secret weapon. Imagine a caveman hunting. A woolly mammoth charges. Adrenaline floods his system. His body is now in overdrive. His heart pounds, pumping blood to his muscles. His senses sharpen. He can see, hear, and react faster. He's ready to fight or flee. This response is automatic, ingrained in our DNA. Another type of adrenaline rush comes from excitement. Whether it's riding a roller coaster or winning a competition, our body releases adrenaline to heighten our senses and energy. Stress-induced adrenaline is also common. In high-pressure situations like meeting a tight deadline, our body releases adrenaline to help us stay focused and alert. Even today in our modern world, these different types of adrenaline rushes still serve us. Whether it's a car accident, a sudden fall, or any unexpected danger, our built-in alarm system kicks in, ensuring we're ready to face whatever comes our way. Adrenaline manifests in various ways during action-packed situations. Our pupils dilate, enhancing our vision. Our breathing quickens, supplying oxygen to our muscles. Blood sugar levels rise, giving us a surge of energy. We become stronger, faster, and more alert. In emergencies, adrenaline is crucial for survival. It readies us for extraordinary challenges. A firefighter lifts debris to save a life. An athlete pushes beyond their limits. These feats are powered by adrenaline, not miracles. Section 4. Adrenaline surges, pushing the limits. How does adrenaline help us push the limits during extreme activities? Take skydivers, for example. Their adrenaline levels skyrocket before a jump. This surge helps them stay calm, focused, and ready to act. The rush they experience is intense, a mix of fear and exhilaration, but it's not just extreme athletes. Think of first responders, soldiers, anyone facing danger. Their bodies are flooded with adrenaline, giving them the rush needed to perform under pressure. This rush allows them to function, to act in the face of fear. Adrenaline is the key to pushing the limits and thriving in extreme situations. Section 5. The downside of adrenaline rush. Adrenaline rushes are powerful, but they have their downsides. Too much adrenaline can lead to stress and anxiety. It can cause insomnia and even heart problems. Our bodies are designed to return to normal after a rush. Think of it like a roller coaster ride. The thrill is exhilarating, but we're glad when it's over. The adrenaline involved is called epinephrine. We need it to survive, but too much can take a toll. Section 6. Beyond fight or flight. Adrenaline rushes in everyday life. Adrenaline rushes aren't just for emergencies, they happen in our daily lives. That rush before a presentation, that's adrenaline. The anxiety before an important meeting? Adrenaline. It's the same chemical, just in smaller doses. We can even learn to manage our adrenaline response. Athletes use visualization techniques. Public speakers practice breathing exercises. These methods help us harness the power of adrenaline in everyday situations. Section 7. The power and price of adrenaline. Adrenaline, often referred to as the fight or flight hormone, is a fascinating and complex chemical in our bodies. Adrenaline is a double-edged sword. It can be our greatest ally in moments of danger, giving us the strength and speed we need to survive. It's the spark of survival, pushing us beyond our limits. Whether it's an athlete crossing the finish line or a hiker conquering a steep mountain, adrenaline fuels these extraordinary feats, but it comes at a price. The aftermath of an adrenaline rush can leave us feeling drained and exhausted. The physical toll is evident, and sometimes the emotional cost is even greater. There are different types of adrenaline rushes, each with unique effects on the body. Acute stress triggers a rapid response, while chronic stress can lead to prolonged adrenaline release, impacting overall health. Understanding adrenaline, its benefits and its drawbacks, is crucial. Practices like meditation and yoga can help balance the effects of adrenaline, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. So the next time you feel your heart race, your palms sweat, remember adrenaline. It's a natural response, a signal that your body is preparing you for action. It's the force that keeps us alive, the fuel that drives us. From running swiftly to focusing intensely while driving, adrenaline is always at work, ensuring we are ready for whatever comes our way. It's the power and the price of being human. Embrace it, understand it, and use it wisely. Adrenaline is a testament to the incredible capabilities of the human body and mind.